Nomzamo Mbatha claps back hard against tweep's cheating dig. Nomzamo Mbatha had a spicy clap back ready when a tweep dragged her over cheating rumors. The actress was minding her own business when the troll rolled onto her Twitter page and questioned her about apparently getting dumped. Nomzamo hit back with class, yet a whole lot of spice in a now deleted tweet. "I think people are allowed to do what they want to do, we all have freedom of choice. However, it is never an invalidation of who I am and what I have to offer in this life." Still winning. Maps also slammed the tweet with a stinging clap back. As reported by SUBCRIBE in May, Nomzamo and Maps split after cheating rumors involving Maps came to light. The cheating rumors are nothing new, but Nomzamo got proof that couldn't be disputed. She's upset. She didn't expect this, an insider told SUBCRIBE at the time. Maps management denied the allegations, while Nomzamo's team refused to comment on her private life.